Okay, let's analyze here Lord Slevin's entry that he was talking about. This is on the EurUsd EU on the 5 minute. This is a time frame here. Look, we got a super sniper arrow right here, red. We got our reversal golden candle. You know that's getting in all day long. So we could probably say, let's say we got in halfway down there. When we crossed the purple line was a great entry here. You did see down at the bottom, look, can't make this stuff up, guys. D for divergence. This was at 5:30 PST time, was that divergence. So look at that divergence. That was 5:30 PST my time. Adjust for your time, you can follow along. Immediately we did hit TP1. But look at that red arrow there giving you an idea that we're going to reverse. We're right in the reversal Bollinger Bands here. You can clearly see if we mark those up, you know, these Bollinger Bands are right here. So we're right in the reversal. We are expecting a reversal. So going above TP1 is a bit of a stretch, okay? Now, when we go to the right, we've got no pivot points above it, so we're looking to go down there. Then we got the super sniper arrow right there, so that is a sign to get looking that we're going to get in. We got a reversal candle, we're getting in. We got red candles all the way down, guys. We got divergence right here, we got overbought down here. Our trend direction turns red right there, except for one little blip there. And down you go. That little blip was a transition candle, but we were still with a red arrow, and we were still below the PSARs here. So down we go, keep on going down. Can't make this stuff up, guys. We get down at the bottom here. Now, what are we worried about? Look, guys, there's a pivot point right there, R1. We crashed through this pivot point. That was our TP1. Remember how we do this when we have a super sniper arrow. Okay, TP1 is going to be right there on the pivot point. Okay, TP2, we'll be looking at that pivot point there. Okay, and look, we just wicked it. Okay, there's no more pivot points there, so where are we going? This one is a stop loss for the buy. Don't worry about that. We're going on the super sniper arrow, going down, hit TP1. We went through the purple. Our blue trend line here turned red right there. We're in sell mode. Obviously our cloud behind here all day long, the red cloud behind here. Sell, 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 all the way till we get down here. Now we're hitting TP1 and we're overbought here at the bottom. Okay, we're still showing red, but we're oversold, not overbought, oversold down here. So we are anticipating we might turn around. The sniper later snake is red. If it turns blue, we got to get out. And you got to have finger on button to see what is happening. The next one, we still got another one painting. We're oversold down here. Next one. So what you want to do, now you've gone through here, now you're oversold again here. Now what you do, if you had your stop loss, which probably would have been around here, okay, now you got to get this really tight because you're thinking it might reverse. So when your stop loss was up here, then you can start bringing it, that's with your entry, so you can bring it down there to your entry. As it starts going down, you start bringing it down here, guys, look, on your PSARs, bring it down to here, then bring it down to here, then bring it down to here, then bring it down to here. So right now your stop loss is there. You can then even take it a bit further and bring it down here to your TP1, okay, right there. Let's keep watching this, guys. This is how you do it to protect your gain in case there's a sudden movement. Okay? And here we go. We keep going. We got, oh my goodness. what happened there. Now we wouldn't have caught that. We might have got out. This is the 5 minute, but we probably would have hit our stop loss. That's what a stop loss is for these sudden movements, guys. This sudden movement, if you hadn't got your stop loss here, you would have not taken this profit. You would have been in loss. That's why the stop loss is so important. And that's why you want to move your stop loss through here, looking at the PSARs, and get here. So you would have gone out with a TP1 profit. If you wanted to, and you saw we were at this level here, and we were overbought here, and that sniper later snake turned blue, and there, but it would have been too quickly, guys. You would have been caught out. I don't think there's any reason you would have been able to take it at TP2. Yes, we were at these reversal areas here, so don't forget, guys, when we look at these, if we look at these, oh, come on. If we look at these, it's just not taking. Hold on a sec, guys. There's our Bollinger Band reversals, and we're right in there, guys. So we are expecting a reversal. Don't forget, follow the rules. So if you did get around this area here, you were hitting TP2 and you're in the reversal area. If you got out here, it would have been a good exit. But if you didn't, that stop loss there would have protected you and you would have taken TP1.